Hello guys, let's learn about micro USB cable, the type of connector commonly used for charging and data transfer in smartphones, tablet and other electronic devices. Here are some of the features and uses of micro USB cable. Let's start with the features. Small in size, micro USB cable have a compact and tiny design, making them convenient for use with small devices like smartphones and cameras. Universal compatibility, they are widely used and compatible with a range of devices from different brands, including Android phones, Bluetooth speakers, and other electronic devices. Durability, uh, they are designed to withstand wear and tear with reinforced connectors and durable cables. Let's look at the uses. The first use is charging. Micro USB cable are primarily used for charging electronic devices, including smartphones, tablets, and cameras. They are compatible with a range of charging adapters, power bank, and other charging devices. Data transfer. Micro USB cable can also be used to transfer data between devices, such as synthesizing music, photos, and other files from a computer to a smartphone or tablet. OTG support, so in full on the go. Some micro USB cable support OTG, which enables users to connect USB devices like flash drivers and external hard drives directly to their smartphones or tablets, allowing for easy file transfer. I know some of you are asking, and where do we have to keep them, or how do we have to store them? To ensure the longevity and performance of your micro USB cable, it is essential to store them properly. Here are some of the tips for storing your micro USB cable. Avoid tangling. Micro USB cables are prone to tangling, which can damage the cable and reduce its lifespan. Keep them clean and dry. Dust, dirt, and moisture can damage the connectors and cable, leading to connectivity issues and reduced performance. Use cable ties or clips. Cable ties or clips can help keep your micro USB cable organized and prevent tangling. Store them in a cool and dry place. Exposure to heat and direct sunlight can damage the insulation and connectors of your USB cable. And don't forget this, micro USB cable are essential accessories for charging and data transfer for a range of electronic devices.